Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, the device is not present, it is not working properly, code 24 error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and restart the computer. The next solution is to check the drivers. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on advanced options, select optional updates, install all the drivers, return to the Windows Update page, click on check for updates. The last solution is an SFC scan, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.